Cool. You guys got your Christmas presents, huh?
Mhm.
You guys happy?
Tell them thank you.
All right, guys. Yeah.
What do y'all think it is? What do you want it to be? Want a choo-choo? Of course. Now who got you this?
Grandma did. Yeah, I thought it was Mommy. Daddy. Oh, cool. Zach, over here. Zach.
Okay. What a nice present.
That's it.
I guess I could have one of those for Santa.
Choo-choo.
Oh my goodness, you got a choo-choo?
Hey. So anyway.
Oh, cool, an airport one. What'd you get, Weston? Oh, Halo.
So then you get to pick your red spot. That's sweet, man. So what we got?
Cool. Taylor.
Cool.
That was his present.
That's pretty cool.
Got any more things?